Hello, since I wasn't able to repair the steering wheel wobble with only new ball joints, I found that I have a problem with steering wheel cross. You can see how much wobble it has. Here. So I will show you how to remove all of this. Take a 13mm wrench and undo this bolt and take it out here. Okay, I will show you how a new cross looks. Here it is, brand new. You don't have to buy the entire stick. The upper joint cross doesn't have any movement, and that should be it. Let's put it in and see what we got. Thank you.